Are you searching for a Sacramento roofing expert you can count on? At PRC 13 Roofing, we have more than 20 years of experience protecting homes and businesses with quality craftsmanship and unbeatable customer care. From residential and commercial roofing to professional gutter installation, our licensed team caters to every job, including new construction, roof replacement, repairs, and maintenance. Whether you're interested in asphalt shingles, flat roofing, durable tile, or our specialty, long-lasting metal roofing, we have options to fit every style and budget. Need new rain gutters to match your new roof? We've got that handled too. At PRC 13, we only use trusted materials from top brands, and we stand behind our work with strong warranties and a guarantee on every job. From your free estimate to final cleanup, our local roofing contractors are dedicated to excellence every step of the way. When it's time to upgrade, repair, and protect your property, choose the name Sacramento trusts. PRC 13 Roofing. Give us a call or visit our website to get started with a free estimate.